morning, my dear viewers. Welcome to Dear Teacher channel. Once again, I'll tell you, I love the word Dear Teacher. Whoever comes to me with this word, I'll be very, very happy, and in turn, I'll support them. So please subscribe my channel and share my channel and like my channel. So today onwards I am going to teach Adharva Tekade. Good morning. Today onwards I am going to teach trigonometry. Already I taught one time because so many schools are having mid-year examinations. This chapter is there in that, so that I am teaching again. So trigonometry is one of the important chapter. I am telling every chapter is important, but this trigonometry, if you follow right from the beginning, then it will be easy, and you have to start from the basics to the problems. So directly if you handle the problem, you can't get the answer. So let me start trigonometry. I am not teaching completely. I am going to do it as a fast revising way. So trigonometry, it is completely based on the right angle triangle, where we know one angle 90 degrees. We do not know other two angles. Other two angles are complementary, because one angle is 90 degrees. Other two angles are complementary. Okay. So we know the relation. We know the relation through Pythagoras theorem. We know the relation of Pythagoras theorem. That means relation between the sides. Hypotenuse square is equal to side square plus side square. This is Pythagoras theorem. This relation is only between the sides. Now in trigonometry, we get the relation between the angles and the sides of this right angle. Angles and the sides is main speciality of the trigonometry. So we are learning this Pythagoras theorem right from class 6. Okay, so everybody knows the hypotenuse square is equal to side square plus side square. Now in trigonometry, we will have the relation between the angles and the sides, and that angle is any one of these two complementary angles, not with respect to the 90 degrees. So now this angle I will denote it with theta. Theta is a Greek letter. It is very easy to write it. So I am taking. Now the first relation is sine of angle. In simple, we write sine theta. Okay. Sine of angle is the first relation between the theta and the sides. Okay. So angle and the sides, we call it as a sine, S-I-N-E, but I am writing it short. Sine theta is equal to opposite side to theta by hypotenuse. So this is the relation. So then opposite side to theta, opposite side is A, B, C. AC is the opposite side and AB is the hypotenuse. Tanish Roy Chaudhary, good morning. So this is the theta relation between theta and opposite side and hypotenuse. So like this is the first ratio. I will write 1, and second ratio is cos theta, and cos theta is theta adjacent side. I can write here adjacent side. Okay, and this is opposite side, and this is hypotenuse. So adjacent side to theta by hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is common. Adjacent side is BC. So BC by AB. So some people can say base also. Some people will say base. Some people will say base and some people will say height. Both are okay, but with respect to theta, this is opposite side and this is adjacent side. Theta can also be here. A के पास भी रह सकता है. If theta is here, then opposite side to theta is BC. अभी इसके AC के opposite side is AC के place में BC आएंगे. So you have to be very careful. So theta can also be here, then opposite side and adjacent side will change. Hypotenuse will be as it is. Okay. So now third is tan theta. Tan theta, tangent of angle. Tangent of angle, in short, tan theta. So it is opposite side to theta and by hypotenuse. So opposite side to theta is AC and this is not hypotenuse, this is adjacent side. So this is AC upon BC. So these are the three main ratios. Rest of the ratios are the reciprocals of these three. You can remember like this. If you have to remember the order, sin, cos, tan, and then remaining three things are the reciprocals. So the reciprocal of sin is cosecant theta, and reciprocal of cos secant theta. Okay, and reciprocal of tan is equal to cotangent theta, in simple cot theta. Okay, so once you get the meaning reciprocals, automatically definition भी उल्टा हो जाता है. Reciprocal हो जाता है cosecant is equal to hypotenuse by opposite side, secant is equal to hypotenuse by adjacent side, cot is equal to adjacent by opposite side. Reciprocal हो जाता है. So I will write directly the answers. AC by AB को हम AB by AC लिख सकते हैं, and secant theta BC by AB, and we will write AB by BC, and cot theta BC by AC हम लिख सकते हैं. So it's not only like this, you can write 1 upon sin theta also, because they are reciprocals to each other. Cosecant theta is equal to 1 upon voice is very low. I think it's fine only. Yeah, my instrument sound is fine. So secant को हम ऐसा भी लिख सकते हैं, 1 by cos theta लिख सकते हैं. cot theta we can write 1 by tan theta भी लिख सकते हैं. Reciprocals को ऐसा हम लिख सकते हैं. Okay, so this is what are the 6 ratios we are having. In the same way, sin theta को हम 1 by cosecant theta भी लिख सकते हैं, and cos theta 1 upon secant theta भी लिख सकते हैं, and 1 upon cot theta भी लिख सकते हैं. They are reciprocals to each other. Not only like that, you can have like this also relation. Sin theta we can write sin theta into cosecant theta is equal to 1 भी लिख सकते हैं, and cos theta into secant theta is equal to 1 भी लिख सकते हैं, tan theta into cot theta is equal to 1, because they are reciprocals to each other, and these relations also will come. Simultaneously you can learn all these things. Now I have given the basic definitions of trigonometric ratio and the basic relation among the trigonometric ratios. Sin theta is equal to cosecant 1 by cosecant theta, or sin theta is equal to cosecant theta is equal to 1 by sin theta. So all these things have given. So whenever you have such relations, you can apply. So this is the basic definitions, origin of the trigonometry. So everybody should be aware of these definitions. ओके, ट्राइंगल डालो मत डालो कुछ काम के नहीं है, बट आप माइंड पर रख सकते हैं, राइट। सो ए टैंजेंट भी आप, और एक डेफिनेशन भी है टैंजेंट एंड कॉट, राइट। सो टैन को हम साइन बाई कॉस भी लिख सकते हैं, टैन थीटा इज इक्वल टू साइन थीटा बाई कॉस थीटा भी लिख सकते हैं। एंड ऑफ कोर्स कॉट थीटा इसको रिवर्स करेंगे, रेसिप्रोकल बनाएंगे, कॉस थीटा बाई साइन थीटा हो जाता है। सो वो भी लिख सकते हैं। सो यू हैव गॉट हाउ मेनी 6 बेसिक डेफिनेशंस and 6 conversions, sin cos conversions, and 12 plus 2 14 formulas are there on this board. Okay, so now let us go to the some problems based on this, so based on these basic definitions, the first and important question is very simple. They will give sin theta is equal to 3 by 5. Find remaining t ratios. I'll write t. T ratios means trigonometric ratios. Okay, in short form, t ratios, right? So in the textbook sin C, sin B, sin A is given, but I am giving you sin theta. So sin C means depending upon the triangle, you can indicate sin B, sin A, sin C also. So you draw a triangle, right angle triangle, okay, and you make it ABC, and this is theta. So sin theta is fine, sin C is also fine, both are okay. You can write either sin theta or sin C, both are fine. Sin theta is nothing but sin C, okay, both are same. Now sin theta is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse 3 upon 5. So let opposite side is equal to 3k and hypotenuse is equal to 5k. So that means this is 3k and this is 5k. Let us find out because we need all the 3 sides to do anything. So you can find out by Pythagoras theorem, BC is equal to square root of AC square minus AB square. This is Pythagoras theorem. So AC is 5k whole square is 25k square, and AB is 3k whole square is 9k whole square. This is 16k square, and 4k is the answer. So this is 4k. Now we have got all the 3 sides. Now you can find out all the trigonometric ratios. So the second ratio is cos theta. Cos theta is equal to adjacent by hypotenuse. Adjacent is 4k by hypotenuse is 5k is equal to 4 upon 5. K's will get cancelled. K is a constant. So 3 tan theta. Tan theta is equal to opposite side by adjacent side. Opposite side is 3k and adjacent side is 4k. K will get cancelled, 3 upon 4. So automatically cosecant theta is equal to 1 upon sin theta. That means reciprocal. 3 upon 5 means 5 upon 3. And 5 is secant theta. Secant theta is equal to 1 upon cos theta. Cos theta is 4 upon 5. It is equal to 5 by 4. And 6 is cot theta. Cot theta is equal to 1 upon tan theta. So tan theta is 3 upon 4. It is equal to 4 by 3. Right? This is how you have to find out the rest of the ratios. Once you know all the 3 sides and 1 angle, you can do everything. So the whole first exercise based on this only. So in different ways ट्विस्ट करके देते हैं. सो ये पूरा फर्स्ट एक्सरसाइज आप इसके ऊपर कर सकते हैं. छोटा प्रॉब्लम्स भी है एंड बड़ा प्रॉब्लम्स भी है, राइट. So if you are having any doubt in the first exercise, take out and we will see. So take out first exercise, and I can clear some questions from your textbook. So నాకు టెక్స్ట్ బుక్ ఉండదు. Yeah, okay, you can sleep. I don't get sleep from 5 o'clock onwards. Okay, so let us have one more question, right? So फर्स्ट एक्सरसाइज में आपको जो भी डाउट्स वगैरह कुछ है तो आप पेज नंबर क्वेश्चन नंबर लिख सकते हैं. देन आई कैन डू. दिस इज़ द बुक, एनसीईआरटी बुक. इसमें से आपका पेज नंबर एंड क्वेश्चन नंबर डालो फर्स्ट एक्सरसाइज रिलेटेड. ओके, देन आई कैन explain you, right? So now I'll go to the next concept. So this is the first concept. Next concept is identities. Identities, next concept. Identities is like formulas. So the first identity is sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. This is the first identity. It is the relation between sin and cos. We have the relation between sin and cosecant, reciprocals to each other, but sin and cos we don't have any relation. So this is the relation between the sin and cos. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. This is the first identity. So this identity also can be written like this. Sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta भी लिख सकते हैं. In turn sin theta is equal to square root of 1 minus cos square theta लिख सकते हैं. Cos is given. If you want to find out sin, this is the formula. In the same way, you can write cos theta is equal to square root of 1 minus sin square theta भी लिख सकते हैं. Okay, so these two comes from the first identity. When cos is given, you can find out sin. When sin is given, you can find out cos. So sin theta is equal to, for example, let me write 3 by 5. Find cos theta. So you can find out that in two ways. One is the diagram. Diagram डाल के आप कर सकते हैं जैसा I have done previously. And sin and cos ये भी डाल सकते हैं. So cos theta is equal to square root of 1 minus sin square theta. This is the formula and this is first identity. So then how 1 minus 9 by 25. So it is equal to 9, 25 1 the 25 minus 9, 16 by 25, which is equal to 4 by 5. So this is another way to find out cos. Okay, I have given just an idea how to use this formula. Okay, so there is a proof also. Proof I am not going to teach you because this is I am thinking I wanted to revise it very fast. So I will just give you a clue how to do the proof. You take a right angle triangle. You take a right angle triangle and use like basic concept, basic definitions use करो, then आपको ये आ जाएंगे, right? So I'll just give you a left hand side. Sin theta is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse, o square by h square, and cos square theta is equal to adjacent side, a square by and h square. If you add it, h square is equal to o square plus a square. So opposite side square plus adjacent side square is nothing but hypotenuse square. Hypotenuse square will get cancelled 1. So this is nothing but the right hand side. I did not use the triangle. I have used O by H and etc. etc. Right? So this is a simple proof and very important also. Now based on this you have so many problems. Okay, let me give you one my own question example. Prove that sin theta plus cos theta whole square is equal to 1 plus 2 sin theta cos theta. This is one question based on this identity. Okay, so then you take left hand side. Left hand side is sin theta plus cos theta whole square. So now you have to write a plus b whole square. A plus b whole square means a square plus b square cos square theta plus 2ab. So 2 sin theta and cos theta. So sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Therefore 1 plus 2 sin theta and cos theta. This is nothing but right hand side. So कैसा प्रूव करना है? लेफ्ट हैंड साइड नहीं तो राइट हैंड साइड ले लीजिए एंड उसको सिंपलीफाई कर दीजिए. जो भी फार्मूलास लगता है वो फार्मूलास इसमें आप यूज़ करो, देन यू विल बी गेटिंग द आंसर. Let me do one more question based on this. At least some copy just combine. Okay. Let me do one more question, example 2. Okay. Cos square theta minus sin square theta is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square theta. This is one more question. Also 1 mark question, 2 marks question जैसा ये questions आएंगे. This question may be there in the textbook or may not be there in the textbook. Right? अभी इसको left hand side लेना है. Left hand side is equal to cos square theta minus sin square theta. ये 1 नहीं होता because this is minus. If this is plus then ये पूरा 1 हो जाता है. Now अभी you have to think some logically. Right hand side में only sin is there, cos is not there. So cos को हम eliminate करना है. So cos इधर cos square जो भी है उसको eliminate करना. So cos को eliminate कैसे कर सकते हैं? इसमें से हम आप eliminate कर सकते हैं. So cos square is equal to 1 minus sin square लिख सकते हैं. So in the place of cos square 1 minus sin square लिखूंगा and then it is equal to sin square. So minus sin square minus 2 sin square हो जाता है. This is nothing but right hand side. These are simple questions of these are the simple questions based on this sin square theta plus cos square theta. In the textbook also there is one question. Let me do that also. This is example exercise 8.3. In exercise 8.3 there is one question. Fourth question, second bit. Okay. Fourth question, second bit. Let me do. Prove that. Fourth question for second bit. Prove that cos theta. He has given a. I am writing theta. Cos theta by 1 plus sin theta plus 1 plus sin theta by cos theta is equal to 2 secant theta. Okay. So this is the question. Let's take left hand side because fractions are there. Everything is in sin and cos. Okay. Right hand side को हम बाद में देख लेंगे. पहले तो left hand side ले लो. Left hand side is equal to cos theta by 1 plus sin theta. Okay. And 1 plus sin theta by cos theta. अभी इसको एलसीएम लेना ही पड़ता है. व्हेन देयर आर फ्रैक्शंस यू हैव टू टेक एलसीएम एंड यू हैव टू डू फ्रैक्शनल मेथड, फ्रैक्शनल एडिशन. So इधर so many teachers will do like this, a by b plus c by d. When you want to add b different, d different, जैसा ये दोनों different है ना, so bd will be the LCM and a will come here, it will become ad and b will go there, bc. So ऐसा सिंपल प्रिंसिपल में आप इधर कर सकते हैं. सो अभी इधर क्या होता है, एलसीएम ये दोनों मल्टीप्लाई 1 प्लस साइन थीटा इंटू कॉस थीटा. ओके, एंड देन ये डी ए एंड ये दोनों मल्टीप्लाई करना है, सो कॉस स्क्वायर थीटा, राइट. एंड देन प्लस ये दोनों मल्टीप्लाई करना है, सो 1 प्लस साइन थीटा इंटू 1 प्लस साइन थीटा, 1 प्लस साइन थीटा होल स्क्वायर हो जाता है. ओके, सो देन व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, नीचे कुछ करने का जरूरत नहीं है, वैसा छोड़ दीजिए. ऊपर हम सिंपलीफाई करना है. सो ए प्लस बी होल स्क्वायर, ए स्क्वायर प्लस बी स्क्वायर प्लस 2ab, 2 साइन थीटा. सो देन व्हाट हैपेंस, दिस कॉस स्क्वायर थीटा साइन स्क्वायर थीटा टुगेदर लिख के उसको 1 लिख सकते हैं. साइन स्क्वायर थीटा प्लस कॉस स्क्वायर थीटा ऐसा लिखेंगे, ये 1 को ऐसा लिखेंगे, प्लस 2 साइन थीटा बाय कॉस थीटा इंटू 1 प्लस साइन थीटा. सो अभी इसको क्या होता है, देन साइन स्क्वायर थीटा प्लस कॉस स्क्वायर थीटा इज 1 प्लस 1, ये दोनों मिलके 2 हो जाता है. सो आई विल राइट 2 प्लस 2 साइन थीटा बाय कॉस थीटा इंटू 1 प्लस साइन थीटा. ओके, अभी इसको व्हाट हैपेंस, यू टेक 2 कॉमन, देन 1 प्लस साइन थीटा हो जाता है ऊपर, एंड देन नीचे कॉस थीटा 1 प्लस साइन थीटा हो जाता है. सो 1 प्लस साइन थीटा 1 प्लस साइन थीटा कैंसिल, सो 2 बाय cos theta, nothing but 1 by cos theta, 2 into secant theta, this is nothing but right hand side. Left hand side लिया, fractions है, we have taken LCM and everything, simplify किया, last में we got 2 by cos theta, because the answer is in secant theta, so इसको 1 upon cos theta लिख के 1 upon cos theta is equal to secant theta, this is 2 secant theta. सो ऐसा ही प्रॉब्लम आपको खुद और एक प्रॉब्लम इन्वेंट कर सकते हैं, राइट. अभी कैसा इन्वेंट करना है, आई जस्ट टेल यू, राइट. सेम प्रॉब्लम यू कैन हैव योर ओन प्रॉब्लम. सो अभी कॉस साइन इंटरचेंज करो, यू जस्ट इंटरचेंज. सो देन क्या हो जाता है, कॉस को इंटरचेंज करेंगे तो साइन 1 प्लस साइन थीटा 1 प्लस कॉस थीटा हो जाता है, प्लस इधर भी साइन कॉस को इंटरचेंज करोगे, सो 1 प्लस कॉस थीटा बाय साइन थीटा. इधर भी सीकेंट थीटा को इंटरचेंज करो, 2 कोसेकेंट थीटा हो जाता है. सो दिस इज वन क्वेश्चन यू कैन हैव योर एज ए प्रैक्टिस क्वेश्चन, जैसा आप यूज कर सकते हैं, प्रैक्टिस क्वेश्चन. ओके, सेम क्वेश्चन I have interchanged it. So like that in trigonometry we have an option to write your own questions. Okay, so this is only one identity. Remaining things tomorrow I am going to teach you the rest. Okay, rest of the entire chapter I am going to teach tomorrow. If you are having doubts, please come with the doubts. You have to write the page number or exercise number and question number. Okay, question number, exercise number आप लिखेंगे तो I am going to clear your doubt. Have a nice day. Share my channel, like my channel, subscribe my channel. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.